What's up, guys? I'm here today to help you fix your snowboard binding. The first step in fixing your binding is understanding part terminology. You have two straps, your toe strap and your ankle strap. Each strap consists of four main parts: the ratchet, the strap itself, its connector, and the ratchet strap, or otherwise known as the saw blade. It's important to note when looking for parts that each one is brand specific, like both of these ankle straps. One from Union and one from Solomon, complete different lengths and different attachment points. Another example of brand specific parts are in these ratchets. You can tell by their mounting points. The hole and the loop that they connect up top are completely different. These will not interface with each other. Just as the straps are brand specific, each part is also location specific. You'll have a heel strap, a toe strap, a heel ratchet, a toe ratchet. Make sure you're buying the right one for the right location. The second step in removing any parts on your binding is identifying how it's connected. The easiest part to remove would be the ratchet. Simply by taking off the one screw right on top, lefty-loosey, really simple. Watch out, these things go flying. Just like that. Same exact thing for your toe strap, really fast, that was it. If you're looking to remove something else other than your ratchet, you'll still have to go about finding how it's attached. Traditionally, our heel straps are attached by two Phillips on either side. Really simple, unscrew it, they'll pop out. Our toe straps don't have any visible hardware. That's because in order to access it, you'll have to pop it out, remove it from the board, turn your binding upside down to then push and pull out from the bottom. Reinstalling your new parts is just as easy as removing your old ones. Just follow the same steps, just in reverse, you'll be all set. I hope this helped you, gave you some more confidence working on your bindings, your own equipment. Get out there, don't be afraid to break stuff. It's not that hard to fix. You got it.